Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of BedeTV for Term 2.
We're so excited to see you all back here at the college, ready to take on the challenges and opportunities that this term will offer.
We can't wait to see all your great achievements and successes for this term, and just remember, if you ever need a hand, we're always here to help.
We went to the library to study, but then we ended up getting a noise complaint from the librarians.
In the holidays, I went for a ride with my mates and I stuck in the college parking lot.
In the holidays, I had a mad accident and fractured my foot. And yeah. So in the holidays, I went fishing and I tried to cast the line in, and I fell off and I fell in the water.
One funny thing that happened to me in the holidays was I was riding my electric scooter, I did a jump on it and I snapped my electric scooter in half.
So on the holidays I was meant to be studying, catching up on my work and that, but I was actually sleeping the whole time.
Not happy because Bulldogs lost.
I'm excited for walkathon and the walkathon assembly.
I'm really looking forward to the walkathon. I'm looking forward to the walkathon this term.
I'm really looking forward to the athletics time.
I'm really looking forward to the walkathon and Friday weekend.
We're really looking forward to the walkathon.
We're really looking forward to the walkathon this term.
Meanwhile,
Hi! Welcome back to BedeTV.
We're reporting live from Vinny's van.
Parramatta!
Yeah.
And Mac Druitt.
Go
I can see that thing on the left.
Hey guys, we've made it back to Greystanes, which is the Vinny's base. We're just going to have a look at what the team does when we get back here. Kobe, what are you doing right now? Yeah? Kira, say hi. Hey!
The environment
hello.
is crazy.
That's crazy.
Turn off the fridge over here.
Turn off the fridge.
Turn off the fridge, which I've just done, and then you open up the fridge, and then you open up here, and Mr. Campbell would demonstrate pulling everything out of the fridge and putting it in the other fridge. Amen.
Yay! Kobe's struggling.
Kobe doesn't know how.
Struggle City.
Why is there sugar everywhere? Alright, so over here we have the log sheet, which we log all the information for the night. So for example, today's date is here, how many people we served on the bus, we put that down, and then any other comments, like if they ask for blankets or sleeping bags or toiletries, we write that down, and then tomorrow's group can bring out whatever we've asked for, so it's awesome. Currently 10:35, we are signing out for the night. Don't forget, we are called to bring peace.